Well, let's take a look at why with dry erase markers, it burns like a candle. So let's look inside a dry erase marker. I have that tip that delivers the ink, but the ink is housed here inside a sponge. And the sponge also contains a solvent that allows the ink not to dry out, but also giving it the delivery. And if you look, it looks like I have like a candle. Erase marker will actually burn like a candle because of that solvent that's inside the ink. Well, what is that solvent? Well, let's do a little bit more investigation. I have a little glass of water, and I'm just gonna dab that ink, squeezing the ink out with the solvent in the water. And it doesn't look like it's interacting with the water very well. Let's compare that to another solvent, which is alcohol. And when I put the ink inside the alcohol, I can see right away how it does dissolve. I get a clear solution. So I think it's safe to assume that the solvent with the ink is alcohol, which actually makes sense because I can clean off my boards with dry erase markers with rubbing alcohol. Not only that, if my tips start to dry out, maybe if I soak them in rubbing alcohol, I can keep using them if I still have ink inside the cartridge. Pretty cool science.